Water, a transparent fluid which makes the world's streams, lakes, oceans and rain. The elixir of life. No known life form exists without it. Covers 71% of Mother Earth. However, for many of our fellow citizens, safe water is a dream. In the districts of Nadia and Murshidabad in West Bengal, India, the water resources are contaminated naturally with deadly arsenic, a non-metal with atomic number 33. Long-term exposure to arsenic poisoning can cause skin cancer, ailments of lungs, bladder and kidney, and eventual death. The Pradeep Research Group at the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, funded by the Department of Science and Technology, has been working on drinking water solutions for over a decade.
We were looking for solutions which would serve the purpose of say 50 to 200 families. And then I came to know about IIT Madras, Professor Pradeep Group led community filter, and it is a nano technology based filter which has flow rate of 50 to 70 liters per hour. That was ideal for placing in places where it could be used as a standalone unit. It could serve more than 100 families. I identified the locations and it has been running successfully. We had tests done on the pipe water, on the output water, and found that actually the arsenic contamination was nil. So I think this was a very ideal solution in such situations where you have remote areas where you have hardly any power supply.
After the success of a pilot project in the district of Murshidabad, implemented by Messrs Mahavir Pumps Private Limited, based at Kolkata, 600 such water purifiers are being installed by the Government of West Bengal, funded by the Ministry of Minority Affairs. The purifiers are being installed in schools and communities. An IIT Madras incubated company, Inno Nano Research Private Limited, manufactures these water purifiers at their factory in Chennai.
প্রতিদিন আমি 2 বোতল করে জল নিয়ে যাই বাড়ি।
কিন্তু জলটা আমরা যেমন আমার বাড়িতেও পারিবারিক ফিল্টার আছে, একুয়াফিনা, তবুও তার থেকে যেন এই জলটাই ভালো লাগছে বলে আমি এখান থেকে নিয়ে যাই।
আমাদের এই যে এখানে যে ওয়াটার প্ল্যান্ট বসানো হয়েছে আর্সেনিক ফ্রি ওয়াটার পাওয়ার জন্য, সেটা খুব ভালোভাবে এখানে ব্যবহার হচ্ছে এবং জলটা খুব উন্নত মানের।
এবং আমি এই জলটা প্রত্যেকদিন, এই ফিল্টার জলটা আমি প্রত্যেকদিন খাই এবং আমার খুবই ভালো লাগে এই জলটা খেতে।
The purifier has evolved into another visually attractive model, the design of which was born out of specific necessities in community water purifier stations.
As the district magistrate of Nadia, last year we have installed around 330 units of nanotechnology based arsenic filtration units. I have found it to be very effective, cost effective, and more importantly a speedy technology for tackling one of the dangerous menaces for our country.
The technology has also been implemented in high volume discharge applications and has found acceptance among the local populace.
Approximately around 50 lakhs of population is affected by arsenic contamination in the water. We in the district administration also took some initiative in introducing anti-arsenic water purifiers. This technology is based on nanotechnology, and so far more than 500 community locations this technology is being used, and the feedback from the people is really very good and encouraging. This particular technology removes not only arsenic but also iron.
The benefits have started showing. Lesser and lesser number of people are reporting sick due to water related causes.
पहले जो पानी था वो गंदा था, फिर वो बास भी आता था, इतना अच्छा भी नहीं था वो पानी, पीती थी तो मतलब गंदा था। तो तो ये पानी अच्छा है।
With a mere flushing and cleaning of filters needed at periodic intervals, these water purifiers are extremely simple to maintain. And the cost of filtered water is less than 5 paise per litre. The technology is now delivering clean water to 400,000 people.
There are a large number of water quality issues waiting to be solved. Pesticides, heavy metals, fluoride, microbes, and many more. India and the world outside are waiting. Let's ensure that affordable clean water is not a distant dream.
This doesn't just contribute to the improvement in the quality of the drinking water, but also to the quality of the life of the people.
With increased support from government at various levels, we will be able to expand it to other parts of our country with arsenic and iron contamination.
These children will now continue to smile. They will no longer be under the threat of deadly diseases due to poor water quality.